Embrace teamwork. One man may hit the mark, another blunder, but heed not these distinctions. Only from the alliance of the one, working with and through the other, are great things born. Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. The main ingredient of stardom is the rest of the team. John Wooden. I suppose leadership at one time meant muscles, but today it means getting along with people. Mohandas Gandhi. We don't accomplish anything in this world alone, and whatever happens is the result of the whole tapestry of one's life and all the weavings of individual threads from one to another that create something. Sandra Day O'Connor. It is not so much that man is a herd animal, said Freud, but that he is a horde animal led by a chief. Ernest Becker.